Alright, hey guys. All last week and this week you've been working on L-blend words. So there are 6 L-blends. I'm going to put them on the screen underneath me so you can see them. Alright, so we're kind of moving backwards because Miss Mitchell has to write this upside down for it to show up on the screen. So just bear with me, like this, the G's are backwards. This G right here is backwards. Alright, here we go. So we have BL, GL, FL, SL, PL, and CL are your L-blends. There are 6 of them. You don't call them BL, you say BL, GL, FL, SL, PL, and CL because when you put them with a vowel, it kind of changes the last sound. So we're going to say our BL blend, blah, blah. GL is glah. When we put it with the vowel A, flah for FL, slah for SL, plah for PL, and clah for CL. Now, when we add it to make it a word, like this word, we have black, black, glad, glad, flag, flag, slack, slack, play, and class. All right, these are tricky because when you mark them, the L-blend gets an arc underneath them. Many of you have already finished reading Horizons L-blend, so you know that. The arc goes underneath the L-blend before you mark your vowel. I did put some other things in here that would be marked, like CK makes the cuss sound together. You won't have to mark that. Those will not be words you build. But CK does make the cuss sound together, so that would have a mark underneath. And then this SS goes together. So we have black, glad, flag, slack, play, and class. These words are L-blend words. And so that's what you've been working on all week, is blending those L-blend words and writing those L-blend words. And we're going to continue to practice that because that's a hard skill. And then next week we'll move on to S-blend. Or the week after Thanksgiving, we'll move on to S-blends, and we'll spend the rest of before Christmas with S-blend words because there's 2-letter S-blend and 3-letter S-blend, and so we're going to split them up so that we learn part of the S-blends and then the rest of the 3-letter S-blends before we move on to extra blends, and we'll try to finish all those blends up by Christmas so that we can move and jump right into some harder first grade skills. So make sure that you're practicing blending words, sounding out words, and segmenting them. Segmenting is when you break them apart to write them, and blending is when you put them back together to read them. All right, so I can't wait to see what you've been working on in Seesaw, practicing your L-blend words. Bye, guys.